Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw some popcorn. Let's start off by drawing 5 wide arches like so. Then, from the left side, draw a line going down, leaning slightly towards the middle, and mirror that line on the other side. Then, close out the bottom with a horizontal line to finish off the popcorn box shape. On top, draw a big cloud shape for the popcorn. To add some more detail, draw some open cloud shapes in the popcorn to add texture. On the box, draw a line going down from between each of the arches for the stripes. And on the bottom, you can add a few cloud shapes for some popcorn that fell out. Lastly, draw some thin diagonal lines in the first, third, and fifth stripes to make the stripes alternate. And now you've got some popcorn.